Welcome to this technical guide on the Gema Acero Estival-Conga 3690. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Gema Acero Estival-Conga 3690 is getting too hot to handle, you're not alone. This overheating can often be caused by dust and debris building up inside the device, obstructing airflow and leading to overheating. If left unchecked, this could not only damage internal components but also affect the overall performance of your device. So, it's essential to address this issue promptly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a soft brush, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth to ensure everything is cleaned thoroughly. To start, ensure the device is unplugged and turned off. Carefully locate the screws securing the casing. Using the appropriate screwdriver, gently unscrew each one, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing using a plastic opening tool to avoid scratching or damaging the device. Inside, you may notice a buildup of dust around the fan and other components. This is likely the culprit behind your overheating issue. Carefully locate the fan and disconnect any cables attached to it. Take your soft brush and gently remove any dust from the fan and surrounding areas. For the more stubborn dust, use the can of compressed air to blow it away. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've cleaned the fan and the interior, check for any other components that may need attention. Reconnect the fan's cables securely and ensure everything is in place before closing the case. Gently align the casing and replace all screws, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so to avoid damaging the threads. Finally, plug in your device and power it on to check that everything is functioning correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to clean the interior of your device regularly, ideally every few months. Additionally, keeping your device in a dust-free environment can help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.